Hello everyone, I'm Joanne with Newegg TV and I'm here to overview this ICY DOCK Blizzard 3.5-inch drive enclosure. I'm just going to turn this box just slightly so you can see which model number you have. So this is the U3S-1SB with the USB 3 connection, and it also comes in the SEB1SB model with the USB 2 connection. But we'll be going over the one with the USB 3.0 boost as well as UASP support. Here's everything that comes in the box. This is the drive enclosure, which I will go over in a bit, but first let's take a look at the user manual. Open this up and I'll show you what the cables are, how to remove the cover of the enclosure, and all of that good stuff. And here's the power adapter, plugs into the back here, power switch, and I will go over the rest of the ports in just a bit, but just wanted to show you where to plug it in. And you get some feet here as well with this kind of rubberized polymer finish on the bottom, and to keep it in place when you're using it on a flat surface. So there are 4 holes here and hooks. All you have to do is just go ahead and just place that in there, snap it in, and boom, you are good to go, and it is standing. And here is the SATA cable as well as the USB 3 cable. Doesn't matter which connection you use, whichever one you have or prefer. And let's take a look at the back of the enclosure for the rest of the ports. You get an eSATA port and USB 3.0 port. And I did mention in the intro about the USB 3.0 boost with UASP support, which stands for USB Attached SCSI Protocol. Basically, with this USB 3 boost, you get up to 170% increase in transfer speed over a traditional USB 3, which is quite a bit. And above that is this Ambient Light, LED intensity control. Basically what happens is you will see this ambient light here up at the front. It'll be blue when the system and the hard drive is cool, but when the temperature reaches 50 degrees Celsius, it will turn red, so you know that it is overheating, and gotta do something about that. So let me remove the feet because it's just easier to remove this front cover without the feet. Well, not that one, but without this foot. So you'll notice first that it has this mainly plastic housing, and you get a metal frame inside. There are 2 release buttons, one here, one here. You will be pressing both of them to release this top piece here. It comes off rather easily. So you do get some ventilation here. ICY DOCK logo on the other side, an 80mm intake fan that takes in cool air and whoosh, all the way to the back. Awesome. And over here, you'll notice, let me tilt this, there is the easy swap connector and the metal frame there. I have a sample 3.5-inch drive here with me that I am just going to slot in there, so give me a moment. It's easier to do it this way. All right, here we go. Goes in just like this and clicks into the connector. And I'm just going to close this up and give you a look at the dimensions. It just snaps right into place. So it measures 237.5 millimeters along this end, and it is 126 millimeters tall and 149 millimeters across. And of course, without the drive, it is 646 grams in weight. Just a few more things. The hard drive capacity is 3 terabytes and above, and you can install one 3.5-inch SATA revision 1 or 2 drive. And if you are using the USB 3 connection, you get transfer speeds of up to 5 gigabits per second, and if you're using eSATA, then up to 3 gigabits per second. That wraps up our overview on this ICY DOCK Blizzard 3.5-inch drive enclosure. I'm Joanne, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our Newegg YouTube channel as well as our other YouTube channels. Thanks for watching Newegg TV, and we'll see you next time.